Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. This message is for Rebecca McNulty. She's a subscriber for 3 years. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. And thank you very much for commenting. You are wondering where to put this silicone. So I put it here. It has to be a space where your yarn goes through, right? So I put it here. You can put it here as well. You can move it and you can stuck it here and stuck it just like this so it won't fall. It is sticky. Yeah, and I really like it. I'm making another Grinch hat. Remember I was saying that I was at the lineup at Michael's and this girl, she fell in love with the hat and I said, "It's yours." And my head caught cold because it's under -20, and I put a hat that I carry hats in my scarf. So I put another hat and I gave the third hat. So I had 3 hats. I don't have any hats left, so I need to make more. So I gave one that was baking at the red light. Yeah, so I donated that to him, gifted to him. And yeah, so I'm making more hats. I do have a commission. It's just I get bored, you know. I'm that kind of a person. I wasn't like this. I guess the older I'm becoming, I get bored, so I try to entertain myself, I guess this is what you call it. Yeah, Rebecca, you can make it like this as well. So I just stuck it. It's silicone. It's not sticky. Okay, it's not sticky at all. I had a comment as well. Will it stain the yarn? No, not at all. It just goes nice and smooth. And look how tight it is. Just love it, love it, love it. Even I'm on the loosest, as you can see, and it's up tightly. So I just wanted to comment about that you were wondering where you can stuck it. You can stuck it anywhere. Here. Yeah, I put it here, but I moved it here for you to see. So I'm holding the camera, and then you just continue knitting like this. See? It just goes nice. Well, I need to hold it so I can go faster. Yeah, unfortunately I didn't put it on my tripod. Let me just put it on my tripod, and I will show you how fast it goes. Okay, so I'll just show you how. See, the silicone doesn't even move. It's still here. See, it will stick here. So I think this is my 4th project I am working with the same silicone plug-in that I have put. So yeah, I hope this helps you a bit. I'm sorry, I thought I was clear enough, but I did show it on the other videos. I guess you missed it, but yeah, you can put it anywhere, like where you know where the yarn goes through. So like I think the best part is to put it here or put it here, you know. And just love it because it is silicone. For some reason it just holds the yarn, and there's no loose ends, there's no tuck ends, the stitches, there's no nothing loose. And yeah, so I hope this is helpful. See how nice it's going? Without that plug, it would keep on. 3-4 times I had to restart over again. But this way, no. So I'm going to, okay, so I need to change the color to white. So I hope this is helpful. Rebecca, yeah, and again, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. And for the rest of you who is watching this video, informing you where you can put the silicone earplug. I will put the link again where I bought it from Canada, but if you copied the title, I'm sure you can find it in the USA. It's cheaper. In Canada it's $13 and plus GST. Yeah, you guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Before I let you go, I wanted to show you, so when you remove this, like I'm going to change the color to white. So what I do is I just move this, and it just stays there, right? And I just put this, right, the red color in there, and I'm going to grab my white, and I just continue, and when I put the white, I just stuck it back in, and it holds nice and easily. Yeah. Let me show you that as well before I let you go. I don't want you guys to miss anything or have a question mark at the end of the video. Okay, so I just put this in here, and I put it like this. And I put the silicone. Try to press it, right? Needs to hold. Press it. Press it like this, so it would hold the yarn. But what it does is it doesn't break the yarn, it doesn't tighten it. So that's what I like about it. So let me just show you. See, let me put this tripod here. Okay, so I'm just gonna, it's hard to turn it with, you need to hold it, you need to put a pressure down, and then, I don't know, this is how I do it. And don't forget to tie this, just to be on the safe side. We don't want to, you know, do it twice, and I just continue knitting. Okay, so I hope this is helpful, Rebecca. Oh, and before I let you go, I wanted to show you, this is the case that it comes into. I don't have the original box. I tossed it. I tried not to hoard anything, so you know, everything that you keep becomes clutter in the house. So it comes in a container like this, so this is nice. It's not like, it doesn't dry up or anything, but it's in a bag. Yeah, it's better to keep it in a bag like this. And there was total of 12, and I gave 2 to my husband, and I'm using one on my Addie and one on this one. I might need to replace it because I noticed that the yarn fibers are it's becoming dirty. So if it doesn't hold anymore, I will replace a new one. Yeah, again, this is like 13 some change with the GST included. Oh, here's a box. Here's more information about it. Well, this is actually for an earplug. That's what it is, to get rid of the ear. But it works great on this. Yeah, $13. I think it's a great price. And I hope this is helpful. And I will put the link again. You guys take care. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, happy holidays. Bye-bye.